What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. I'm here with the boys right now. Ash, what are we doing in this video? We're trying to make some power. Well, as you guys can tell from the title of this video, we're gonna be dynoing Ash's Z06 Corvette, which is parked right here. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys real quick. If you guys had seen the old video on this car, went ahead and did like a walk around on it, and Ash explained all the parts on it. But Ash, give him a quick little rundown of what kind of parts we got on the Vet. Quick.
2650 Magnuson
Supercharger. So it's got an upgraded supercharger.
Polished heads.
Port and polished heads.
Everything else.
A nice little intake. Oh yeah, it's got a, is it a mild cam?
That's pretty aggressive.
Pretty aggressive cam. But he's had it built for a while now. If you guys have seen the first video, you know that was a long time ago. But it's been built for a while now. He's got like new wheels on it, so it's got the CCWs, both front and rear. I believe they're the CCW Classics, right?
Yeah.
CCW Classics in the front, and then we got the bead locks in the rear with some big ol' Mickey Thompsons, which is probably gonna rub on the dyno.
I'm telling you, bro, he's pretty skinny, so I don't think he's gonna rub.
What are your projected numbers, Ash? What do you think it's gonna make? You gotta say something.
If this bitch doesn't pass 1,000, I'm burning it.
You got full insurance?
Well, Wanisa, if you're watching this,
there's no way he's doing that. What do you think he's making?
25,000.
I think it's gonna make about 850 horsepower.
Oh, so you're the one.
850 horsepower to the wheels. That's what I think it's making. But no, it's definitely gotta make more than this. But yeah, it's basically fully built. We're hoping to crack 1,000.
Once it's done, we'll show them the video. We're gonna rewrap it. We have a new wrap color coming.
Yeah, it's gonna get rewrapped.
And
right now it's
new wheels.
Right now it's wrapped in, what was this color called? Army green.
Army green
from Nosatech, which is really nice, but it's been on there for a while, and he wants to change it up. That'll be another video, maybe a future video.
Surprise.
Will be a surprise. But the best part about this car is, besides the red interior, is that it's a manual. Unlike those bullshit ass automatic Corvettes, we gotta. Actually, we need a driver mod, Ash.
No, we don't.
We need a driver mod. You can't drive this shit, bro.
What you mean?
I'm just kidding. But yeah, guys, we're not gonna be dynoing it today. Obviously, it's too late right now. But for now, we're just gonna get the car on the trailer so we can trailer it to the dyno shop tomorrow morning. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Narik's gonna be my quick little cameraman as we load this.
Oh yeah.
As we load this little beauty onto the trailer. Let's hear it real quick, Ash. Turn this bitch on. It's a mild cam. Mild. Don't ask why the rear taillights don't work. We don't know. It's much louder than it seems on camera. Camera won't pick it up. But that shit is fucking loud. Yep. Definitely needs a driver mod. he just made a fucking 20-point U-turn. That side's too close. You're good? Damn, I told you!
Driver mod?
My boy's actually a really good driver, guys. That's good enough. It's a tight ass fit. Shit's wide, bro. Jinx, you owe me a Coke. We'll not go past that.
Should we get a close up on this side?
Yeah, look.
You guys want to see? You guys want to see how? Look at this shit.
We cannot go further.
That just about does it. Strapped down, ready to go. Tomorrow's gonna be a fun day, huh?
Hopefully, fun day.
Tomorrow's gonna be a fun day.
Yeah.
Excited?
Been waiting for this day for a long time.
Yes. Well, how long?
Fuck, maybe a year.
A year,
car
huh?
has been parked more than any car ever.
Why would you say that?
Because
with such great
I
potential.
drive it here and there. I'm not trying to put miles on it, you know, for the to resell.
But you're not gonna sell it.
Value. Yeah, you're right. We'll see. If this car doesn't make 1,000 horsepower, what are we doing, Greg?
We're gonna burn it.
There you go. But we are gonna take the engine out and rebuild it to make 1,000.
And then we're gonna burn it.
And then we're gonna burn it. You know what would that work great in? We have a couch over there.
Oh yeah.
No, you're not recording.
And
right?
then?
Yeah.
And then?
And then we record ourselves sitting on the couch.
It is a black leather couch, right? Oh
Yeah.
no.
It's not. Sheesh.
I like it.
Picasso.
I'm gonna get one just to film homemade videos.
Alright guys, the vet is finally on the trailer. It's all strapped down. So I will catch you guys in the morning when I pick up the truck and trailer, and then I have to go pick up this little fatso right here.
And it's morning! So we're back! I wish this was all
What do you think?
already.
You're a YouTuber? This guy, a pilot?
Alright guys, just like that, it is the next morning. I already went ahead, picked up the truck and trailer. Everything is loaded, ready to go. Yeah, I'm gonna go to Ash's house real quick, pick him up, probably stop by, get some Red Bulls or something, and then head out to the shop where it's gonna be dynoed at.
Good morning, princess!
Oh, you want me to open the door?
Good morning, dog.
Hey, buddy. We just stopped at the gas station to get some E85 and also a few drinks. Obviously, gotta have the Red Bull in the mornings. All right, we just made it to the shop where it's gonna get dynoed at. I'm gonna go ahead and unhook the car and drop it off the trailer real quick. Go, you're good. Guys, let's check out how much it made. Are you happy with whatever it made?
As long as it's past 800, we're not burning the car. We might sell it, but not burn it.
It made 902 wheel horsepower on a dyno jet.
Off 91 pump.
Yeah,
on the
off
first
91. It's not even on the 85 right now. And that was just the first run. Alright, so that last run made like 950 wheel horsepower on 45% ethanol, right, Ash?
Yeah.
It was 45% ethanol. We're gonna try to get the ethanol content up a little bit more, probably to around like 50 or 60, and then see what it makes there. We're trying to crack 1,000 horsepower at the wheels today, so hopefully we get that. But yeah, we're just gonna fill up some E85 right now and then do a couple more pulls, see how it goes. Alright, that's it. You happy with the numbers?
You kind of.
Made 953 wheel, but it's hot right now. It's hot outside. Car is hot as shit.
No excuses. I hate when people say my car's heat so fuck that shit.
Nah, no excuses. It made 950 wheel.
ice.
950 wheel, that's it. Technically it's a 1,000 horsepower car, Ash. I'm gonna go ahead and get the trailer all set up real quick so we can load the vet back up and take it home. We were obviously hoping for 1,000 wheel horsepower, but we made 950. That's a lot of freaking power. It's more than he needs, but we were hoping for that 1,000 mark. But either way, technically it's still 1,000. crank horsepower car. So other than that, the car makes that power consistent. Like we did multiple runs, it's making 950. He can make like 20, 30 more horsepower if the car cools down really well. Just right now it's 100 degrees outside and the car is already like really hot because we did multiple pulls. But we're just gonna stop it for today. Maybe another time we can crack that 1,000 horsepower mark, but for today I think that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and get this trailer set up real quick. All right, so we got the car all loaded up. Probably do some pulls or something like that another day to finish off this video, but I think we're done for today. Are you happy with the results?
We ain't burning it, I know that.
We ain't burning it.
We might sell it. If anyone's looking for a C7. No, I'm messing with you.
That only makes
no, I'm happy.
950.
I'm happy. We made 950 on E60.
Yeah, it's not
on
even
a hot day.
It's not even fully 85.
So I think when it cools down, we should definitely get some more power out of it. He didn't want to push it too hard either, and I didn't want to push it too hard. It's more than enough what I need. We don't crazy street race anyway.
Yeah. If anyone wants to run it, I mean, we'll run it. But
we're not too much in like the street racing scenes. But I'm happy. I'm happy with the results. Very close to what I want. We'll be back soon.
When it's cooler outside and everything, we'll be back soon to try to break that 1,000 mark. But I think we're done for today. So I'll catch you guys when we're ready to do some like pulls or something like that in the car. But that'll be another day. So I'll see you guys.